Hi, and welcome to WiseNet. In this course, you'll be learning about denial of service attacks, presented by Ashif Mahajareen. So let's run through the objectives. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to gain a clear understanding of what a denial of service attack is, including the basic concept. DoS is a short format of, say, denial of service. The second objective, identify different types of denial of service attacks, such as Internet Control Message Protocol flooding, and other common methods that might directly impact their internet usage. Number three, learn basic preventive measures to protect their devices and networks from denial of service attacks. This includes maintaining up to date software, using reputable security services, and understanding the role of network hardware like routers in defending against attacks. So, what is denial of service? Denial of service attack involves attackers sending huge volumes of data requests to a network to crash systems and prevent legitimate user access. So, in conclusion, trying to say take a system down. Have you ever came across denial of service attack? So, here are the main issues caused by denial of service. Disruption of services. Critical online services can be temporarily unavailable, affecting business operations and customer trust. Resource drainage. Resources are consumed by handling the influx of bogus requests, degrading performance for legitimate users. Financial losses. Companies may incur significant costs due to operational disruption and efforts to mitigate the attack. And last but not least, reputational damage. Repeated attacks can harm organizations' reputation or even a singular person's reputation, leading to loss of clients or decreased user base. Now, moving on to examples of denial of service. So, denial of service comes in different forms, and here we cover the main forms. Number one, buffer overflow attacks, overloading the target system memory buffer to cause crashes or erratic behavior. Number two, ICMP flood, overwhelming the target with ICMP, also known as Internet Control Message Protocol, echo requests, ping packets, thereby preventing legitimate network traffic. SYN flooding. So SYN means synchronize. So exploiting the transport control protocol handshake by sending a large number of synchronized requests to a target system and not completing the handshake. The strategies to protect yourself against denial of service attacks. Now, whilst I go through these strategies, think of strategies that you would take on board to protect yourself from these kind of attacks. Strategy 1, implementing networking security measures using firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and anti-malware tools to detect and block malicious traffic. Strategy 2, enhance bandwidth. Increase your network bandwidth to handle unexpected spikes in traffic, which can mitigate the impact of an attack. Strategy 3, employ load balancers. Distribute incoming network traffic across multiple servers to reduce pressure on any single server. Strategy 4, plan for redundancy. Design network architecture with redundancy to ensure service continuity in case of any attack. Strategy 5, monitor and respond. Continuously monitor network traffic for unusual activities and have an incident response plan in place just in case of an attack occurs. Now, think before you make a decision. Protect yourself from denial of service attacks. Don't share your personal information anywhere. Test your knowledge by taking the denial of service quiz on www.wise-net.co.uk. Thank you for your time.